Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on AutoPay on Mission Lane. We will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. Also, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our future videos. To start, open the website. Then log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a section for Try AutoPay. Under it is a blue text that says Set up AutoPay. Click on Set up AutoPay. To set up AutoPay, select a payment amount, payment date, and a payment method. If you haven't added a payment method yet, click on Link a bank account to link a bank using Plaid. Or click on Add a bank account and manually enter your account and routing number. After that, click on Review AutoPay. Review the following details. If everything's good, click on the tick box to confirm that you have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the Submit button. That's how you turn on AutoPay on Mission Lane. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles. And our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.